So we're getting ready guys. Nami diri sa kanang Warshog Forest. So Lucas David nag-ready siya sa iyang mga stuff.
Putting stuff, getting stuff ready. You know what I forgot?
What?
First aid kit. Alright, but we got bug spray.
We have Gatorade.
And we got Gatorade, keep us hydrated. We're not sponsored, by the way.
Hopefully. Gatorade, hopefully.
Alright,
ready?
Let's go. Oh. So Sam is waiting for Maribel. Hi Sam. What's up, player? Did you fall in? Go behind the bush. Is he got to pee? Welcome to Mother Nature. Go by the tree back there. Just whip it out. Don't let it hit the ground. Amor. Come on, Sam. Somebody's coming.
So look at the view guys. Mura katong da sa wrong turn ba. Kaya ari bidari ba try bi og lakaw-lakaw. Actually I'm scared here, but it's really adventure, you know. I'm scared what's inside. We're using that walking. I don't know what you call that one. Isita sa kilid. Something that there is. Babies, there is some animals coming us, so it's gonna be scary. Oh, it's too cold here. Nagmahay ko ng anong nagkuan ko, nag-sleeveless ko. Super cold in here. And mura siya kuan, dadlo ko diri. Tugnaw kayo, but kuan, it's a good adventure. Oh, grabe kakapoy guys. Usually I enjoy, but there's a lot of mosquitoes, you know. So better for me to be safe than kuan kanang magpadayon pa mi and dahan kay siyang mosquito, so it's not safe for us. But nagkuan mi nami kanang gispray sa mong lawas ba to avoid sa mga kuan sa mga insect. But dahan kay siyang kuan. Dahan kay siyang kuan mga squirrel. I don't know if there is some bear here, but usually ang among makita diri is a lot of squirrels around. So balik nami ato nami padung nami uli. So ulit nami guys kay pati daghan sa lamok di magwanta, and it's super cold here. Mura na siya pamilya ko, marang na naggas no. And then daghan kay siya lamok, so manguli nami balik, daghan kay siya lamok judge. But I really enjoy here walking with, you know, Sam and David, but it's really scary here inside.
All right.